Hey guys, welcome back to Opimation. For anyone new to this channel, my name is Opie. I'm an animator in the video game industry. And in this video, I just wanted to share with you a file I found when I was studying animation. It's an old 2D animation I did. It's very simple. It's really old. You'll see the 3:4:3 ratio, like, you know, how it was exported. I just thought I'd put this up for a laugh so we can see my attempts or my failed attempts to do 2D, but it was fun. It was a software called Monkey Jam, which was like, you put it up to your webcam like this at the top, and then you take frames or pictures. This was an obstacle course on a bouncing ball, so it was a quick test to see. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Right? This is like 12 years ago. So I don't know if Monkey Jam is still out there. If it is, have a go yourself, but I'm sure now there's so many good softwares out there for 2D animation. It's just something fun that I just thought, let me share this. Just share your work, share the progress. It's just nice to go back and see the journey too. So yeah, check this out. See what you think, you know, have a bit of a laugh. All right. All right, guys, I hope you had a bit of a laugh there. It was fun actually doing that. So to get out there and just draw, have fun, enjoy the process. Don't worry how it looks. It's all part of the journey really, isn't it? It's not the destination, it's the journey, as they say. So have fun, explore around, do different stuff, plan animations. And yeah, if you found that fun, yeah, like, subscribe, you know, it would all help the channel. Thank you for all your support so far. It's been great, and I'll be putting some more stuff out every week. So I'll catch you in the next video.